Assalamu alaikum for class. Hope you will be fine and safe at your home. Student, today we will do the exercise 7 and exercise 8 on page number 40. These are objective type of exercise, so you can do easily. These type of questions are also used to make the MCQs in papers. So all of you must be careful about the understanding of these questions. Okay, so let's start. First exercise is reduce the following fraction into the lowest form. How can we reduce the fraction into its lowest form? As you see, the first one is 18 by 19. Okay, as you see there in the unit place, both numbers can be divisible by 2. You can if it is possible, you can do it on book, or if it is a long procedure, so you can use your page. As you see, the first task is 18 over 90. First of all, you will check that in unit place is the unit place numbers can be divisible by 2, 3 or 4. As you see, these both can be easily divisible by 2. So when we divide it, 18 by 90, 2 9s are 18 and 2 4s are 8, and we take 1 here and it becomes 10. 9 over 45. So what we get? 9 over 45. It can more be divisible. As you see, 3 times 9, 3 1 time 3, 1 we take carry here, and the number become 15. 3 5 times 15. So these number are now 3 by 15. It can be more divisible by 3. 3 1 time 3, 3 5 times 15. So the number we get 1 by 5. This is the reduced form of 18 by 90. Okay. The next is 30 by 12. As you see, our second part is 30 by 12. So on which table they both are divisible? As you see, 30 and 12, they both are divisible by 2. So we can it is also divisible by 3 as well as 6. It is also divisible by 6. If we start with 2, it will be more. So if we start with 6, that it can easily be divisible. 6 2 times 12, and 6 5s are 30. So 5 by 2 is the answer. In this way you can shortly do this reduced form, or in this way you can take its longer way. Okay. The third is, as you see, 21 by 56. So on which table they both can be divisible? 7 3 times 21 and 7 8 times 56. So this is the answer. It's its lowest form. Okay. The D part is, its D is 50 by 65. As you can see that it is easily divisible by 5 10 times 50, and 5 1 time 5, and 5 3 times 15. So it is the lowest form of 50 by 6. In this way you can do easily this task. And after completing this exercise on your notebook, you come on page number 40 again for exercise 8. Fill in the missing numbers. How can we fill these numbers? Actually, these are equivalent fractions. Okay, as you see, 3 by 9, 1 over this. If we divide this equation by 3, then we get 3 1 time 3, 3 times 9. So the number come here 3. So these are equivalent fractions. As you see in the second question, 3 by 4. The next number is 8. How it get 8? By multiplying with 2. So when we multiply it also with the 3 with 2, the number we get 6. It is answer. Okay. And the next is 45 over dash and 15 over 19. The third task is this. As you see, 45, when it is divisible by 3, it becomes 15. Okay. So to get this number, we will multiply it with 3. So when 19 3s are 57. So 57s come here. As you see in 27 by 40, and its equivalent is 3 by dash. If we divide it with 9 3s are 27. And also when we divide 27 by 9 we get 3, and also divide with 40 with 9 we get answer in points like 4.4. okay, and the next is, as you see, 6 by 12. If we divide it by 6 on both denominator and numerator, then we get 1 by 6 divided by 12 divided by 6, number 2, 1 by 2 is the answer. So 5 by 60 equals to, if we multiply it with 5 we get 30, also multiply by 5 with 5, so we get 25. 25 is the answer here. And next is 24 by dash and 8 by 10. So if we divide it, if we multiply 8 with 3 we get 24. 8 3s are 24, and 10 3s are 30, so 30 is the answer that comes in this blank. And here 4 by 16, if we divide it with 4, 4 by 4 is 1, and 16 by 4 is 4, so 1 over 4. These, in this way, these all become equivalent fraction. Okay student, this exercise you will do on your book, your notebook, or you can also write their answers here in front of the questions. And this one, actually these type of exercises come in the MCQs. I again repeat, these type of questions come in objective type of paper. So all of you must do this question and you share your work with us.